Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use PayPal Digital Wallet. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you actually use the PayPal Digital Wallet? Well, it's actually a straightforward application, a platform that you could readily use whenever you just create your account. Now, in this case, there are going to be some requirements here, so make sure that you first created your PayPal account and you've just logged in. Now, in this case, we'll be using the mobile app for the PayPal Digital Wallet. Now, in this case, let's go ahead and click on the PayPal option here. And if you have it logged in, you should be able to see the login screen. Just go ahead and enter your details, and you should be able to see this UI here. Now, from here on our account, we have two options. So we have the option to send and even request. Now, if you want to send money to someone, what you need to do is just click on the send money option or button there. And it's going to ask you to enter the details or the username or email of that specific user. So maybe let's go ahead and enter the following email address here. So in this case, let's go ahead and enter it and just click on the email here. Now, once you've done that, it should redirect you to another page here, which in this case, you will receive AUD on that account. Now, depending on what you set this up, you should be able to use a certain type of currency for sending. Now, in this case, go ahead and click on OK. Now, since this is going to be a secure page or UI for PayPal, you won't be able to see it in here, but in this case, the page here will actually ask you how much do you want to send. So in this case, maybe I want to send this specific amount here. It's also going to convert that for me and just click on next. Now from here, it's going to ask us what type of payment is this. So it's either going to be for goods or services or for friends and family. So maybe I want to say it's for friends and family. Just click on next. Now on the next page, it's going to ask me to verify myself first. So let's go ahead and verify ourselves. And from here, we want to start adding our banking details. Now in this case, you need to enter your card number, expiration date, and the CVV of that card, and click on link card for you to successfully complete this transaction. Now, in this case, that's how you actually start sending money to someone on PayPal. Now, if you want to request money from someone, you could go and click on request button there. And from here, you need to just enter the contact of that specific person and also enter the amount that you want to request from them. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and just follow the steps for you to start requesting money from them. Now, in this case, you also have the option to view your payments. So this is going to be your transactions here, your bills, and your requests. Now, you also have the option to view your wallet here. So you have the current balance, your bank cards, your preferences, your rewards, and your current activities. In this case, this is how you actually use the PayPal Digital Wallet. Now, if you're wondering how do you actually use it on other stores, like for example, you want to use it as a payment method on Amazon, well, it's actually pretty easy. Make sure that you've chosen PayPal as a means of paying for that product. And from then on, once you proceed on the checkout, you just need to log in into your PayPal account. And from there on, you should be able to start using PayPal as a payment method. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.